Falls sa Tinoyan Falls, and this is what it looks like. There. Marami pa yan dun, so better watch out. So now, papasok na tayo sa Tinoyan Falls, and it's just so amazing. Mama, kung alam mo lang, wish you could go here and see the look of it. Kasi it's just so amazing. Here you go. Yan, malayo pa yun, pero see? See? Happy birthday, Mama Don. Happy birthday, Mama Don. Happy birthday, Mama Don. Now, Mama Don. Happy birthday, Mama Don. Happy birthday, Mama Don.
Hit me! Hit me!
Like that. Bamboo boat. Pupunta kami doon sa ilalim ng falls. Pero dahil malalim na rin ang gabi, yun, di na kami makakapunta doon. And yun, Mama, if you could come here, you could ride this boat there in the falls. Magpapaulan po tayo doon kasama ang mga penguins and all. Bye! Don't sweat the boca! Patrito! This is the Niagara Falls of the Philippines, Tinoyan Falls!
Naiiling lang.